In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 1099-G on TurboTax. Before we dive in, have your form 1099-G nearby. This is the form issued by a state agency when you received unemployment compensation or certain paid family leave benefits. You'll use it to answer the questions accurately. Start on your TurboTax home screen and move your cursor over the top menu to find income. From there, open the wages and income summary. This takes you to the section where all types of income are organized. Look for the unemployment category and select it. If you've been here before, you'll see a revisit option. Go ahead and choose revisit so we pick up right where we left off. TurboTax will ask if you received unemployment or paid family leave benefits. Select yes, I did. This confirms you'll be entering information tied to your 1099-G. Next, it will ask where you got your benefits. Choose Government, Form 1099-G. That tells TurboTax to expect the standard state-issued unemployment statement and ensures the right set of questions appears. This is important because unemployment reported on a 1099-G is handled differently than, say, employer disability or private plan benefits. You'll now see a question about whether you were required to repay unemployment benefits. While this is uncommon, some people do have to pay back overpayments. In our example, select yes. If you repaid benefits, make sure you have letters or payment confirmations from your state to support the amount. TurboTax will follow up by asking if you paid back any government unemployment from 2024 or earlier. Select yes. Then it will ask the same about non-government unemployment from 2024 or earlier. Again, select yes. These questions help TurboTax figure out whether any prior year repayments may reduce your taxable income or trigger a credit, so answer them carefully using your records. When you're done with those answers, click Continue to move forward. At this point, you'll see a prompt indicating that you need to be on the deluxe version to continue. That's normal for this workflow. Choose the upgrade option when prompted, confirm the selection, and proceed. Upgrading unlocks the guided interview for this section, so TurboTax can walk you through the rest of the entry with the proper forms and schedules behind the scenes. That's it for getting to the right spot and setting things up correctly. Once you're in Deluxe, just keep following the on-screen prompts to complete the unemployment area using the details from your 1099-G. Double check your entries for accuracy, save as you go, and you'll be in great shape to finish your return.